This has been a lovely first time in Santa Barbara. Thank you. We're gonna play one more song for you, of course. Whose first time is it seeing us? Amazing. Okay, so this song is your induction into the Orville Peck gang. So once you've heard this one,
we're a gang!
There's one little trick though, you have to participate. I hate audience participation when I'm in the audience, but I make everyone do. So do you know how to whistle? It's okay, Kyle can't whistle and Bria pretends to whistle, so you're in good company. If you can whistle, I'd encourage you to whistle along as your participation. If you can't whistle, you can blink along, you can hum along, you can shout along, you can dance along, whatever your heart desires, but you have to participate. Deal? All right, thank you so much for having us. This song is called The Iron Hoof Cattle Call. Thank you very much.